kalmado pa yan.
Ayun guys, yung hingal namin, kalmadong-kalmado pa. Tingnan mo yung isang kasama namin, no? Nagpapawis na yan. Sobrang pawis na siya, oh.
Maganda yan. Alam mo yan. Hi Chris, cardio namin.
Yan.
I did it all, I played pretend, I moved the mountains to be your friend. I wanna know if it mattered. I would have gone to war for you, I would have bent the earth into
Pag
just
naarawan na,
to get
nagkaganyan
to
na siya.
our ever after. Something about this has changed, I wanna feel you close again. Don't let go, no I don't want this to end. Whoa. Remember the start when you're breaking my heart again like blood on a pen. Would it matter then when everything starts to fade? I felt like it's yesterday. Would it all consent? Would it matter then? Would it I did it all, I poured a weight on my shoulders like it was fate. Don't tell me it was for nothing. You told me love wasn't true, but it didn't feel real to a cynic like you. But I'm pretty sure we walked into something. Something about this has changed. I wanna feel you close again. Don't let go, no I don't want this to end. Remember the start when you're breaking my heart again like blood on a pen. Would it matter then when everything starts to fade? I felt like it's yesterday. Would it all consent? Would it matter then? Would it matter then? Would it matter then?
So ayan guys, sobrang pinapahirapan lang talaga yung aming sarili. Yan, pag Sunday, imbes na nagpapahinga kami. Eto kami, akyat-akyat sa bundok. Naghahanap ng sakit ng katawan. Nag-ano pa rin ako. So ayan guys, tara na, umakyat tayo ulit doon. Yan, kaya tara na, umpisa na naman natin ang paggapang. Umpisa natin ang gumapang guys. Sorry, nag-lipstick muna kami. Nakakahinga guys.
Racing my own thoughts into the silence, seeking the guidance I forgot. It's somewhere lost, lost to the cages.
Nagbawas ka ng kamo, bit-bitin pero bumingat yung katawan mo. Parang stream na to. Yan, nakakapit na Pero lasing na ako guys. Kape lang yung ininom ko ha, pero nalasing na ako.
I crossed the ocean and lost myself below. I owe this to myself to stay in the deep end, finally face to face with truth. How about you? Can you handle the riptide with help from the shoreline? What's the use? Some weird months
Hey guys.
I just lost my access to the map.
Ikat pa na lang yun.
Where love had been, I chased the apple. Can't let it go. Baby, it's a losing game, and I know that I'm to blame. I crossed the ocean and lost myself. Can't let it go. Baby, it's a losing game, and I know that I'm to blame. I crossed the ocean and lost myself below.
Na-open niya ata yung account ni.
So dito tayo aakyat. Dito. Ayan na guys, nandito na kami sa dulo. So, dito siguro. Kasi ito, sabi na naman.
Ihi lang ako.
I-video ko lang ito. Tingnan ko lang. May daan din dito oh. So ayun na kami guys sa Temple Crag. Nasa dulo kami ng Temple Crag. So yung mga gustong mag-rock climbing guys, may mga anuhan ng tali doon, no? Lagayan ng tali. So dyan sila maglalagay ng mga tali-tali. So ayan guys, may daan din dito, pero mas gusto namin dumaan sa left. Sa left. Kasi yun yung nasa trail map. Diyan? Okay na, sige lang. Lakad ka na. Ikaw na ang ano namin. Hindi, okay na.
Okay na lang, mag-video ko. Pasmado naman. Uy!
Ano yan guys? Kasi yung mga bato niya, hindi siya naka-fix. Nakakatakot humawak sa mga puno-puno kasi yung higad ba. Yan guys, dahan-dahan kasi tutusukin niya yung mata mo niya, no? May mga nakausli, may mga tinik-tinik pa siya. Kapag di ka nag-ingat, tutusukin talaga niya yung mata mo. Yan guys, huwag kang dediretso dito. Ito na yung palatandaan, may tusok. Kaya huwag kang dumiretso dyan. Huwag kang liliko. May ano naman siya, meron naman siyang ribbon. Pero dito daw po guys, so babalik tayo. Balik. Hindi ka talaga pwedeng maunaweng guy. Kasi puro dead end yung labas mo. Yan guys, yan daw tayo aakyat. Wait lang daw. May ribbon doon guys. Yun ang sinasala lang yung mga ribbon. Parang yun ang dead end bebe. Dito.
Dito?
Dito yung dead end.
Dito? Ay, ito yung ribbon. Wag muna. Sasama pa ba o hindi sasama na? Sasama pa. Mga ayaw. Ito hindi niya ako sinusuko.
Kaya, kaya. Hagan mo. Mabibilang ka na. Sabi, ano na lang. Sakit na hanggang dito. Kasi, ano tayo?
Lakihan mo yung hakbang mo ah.
Naku, kamusta yung mga naiksiyang bias? Kamusta yung mga naiksiyang bias, guys? Mahirap! Kaya, mahirap doon na. Uy, ano to, di ba? Orchids. Di ba? Orchids yan. Ito na, be.
Nagpa-blush.
So, yan, guys. Yan. Nakita nyo yan? Oh. Yan namin inakyan.
Bawat ito.
Mga.
Itong dried na sama.
Oh. So, akit kami ulit. Saan ulit tayo ba? Oo. Diyan sa baba may picture sa baba. Wow, ang ganda.
Pero black sand dyan eh.
Mm-mm.
Black na may white.